With a gorgeous smile from one Spencer Creed to Spencer turns the big number 4. I want you to have a marvelous birthday, Spence. She's in Pittsburgh.
Right, we've got Abby York is celebrating birthday number 10 this year. She's on the left there in that picture. Happy birthday from Mom, Dad, and Maddie.
I know that shirt. You know what that is? It's Hogwarts.
Harry Potter.
Yeah!
That's cool.
I know that all too well, kiddo. I like that's a good looking sweatshirt, man. Axel Bailey, now 10 years old as well. Double digits for the big 87 right there. Little Joplin Eagle pride in his future. Happy birthday, Axel.
I like that picture. Olivia Arnold celebrating birthday number 14 in Carl Junction.
Kenny Folk, now 16 years old. If you break out the driver's license, you know, it's game on. It's game on in Lubec County as she celebrates her sweet 16. Have a great day, Patty. She's in Oswego.
All right, Megan Hill celebrating birthday number 32 this year in Riverton.
I like that 32 number. You know why? Because Daniel Stone, he is celebrating his 32nd birthday as well. Good looking picture right there, Daniel. A very happy birthday to you in Joplin.
All right, Bud Finley.
That was his dad. That's a.
All right, I wondered about that. Yep,
Yeah.
that's Daniel's
So
grandfather.
That dude, that's right. Boy, I tell you what, I'm gonna slow down here for a second. Daniel, I want to just give you a piece of advice, my man. And first off, Bud, happy birthday. Daniel, you spend as much time with that man as humanly possible. You do that, man. Grandfathers are not a dime a dozen. Is there a part of me that's allowed to be like jealous right now?
That's sure.
Yeah. Daniel, hold on to that dude and spend time with him. Wish I could do that myself, man. Happy birthday to Daniel and Bud.
All right, Randy Schlichting turning 33 years old this year. Happy birthday to Randy. His birthday was actually yesterday. Love Dad, Elaine, and the family.
I'm gonna take these next two, okay?
Okay.
Ed Tyler, he is celebrating his 57th birthday. Cool picture right there outside of Arrowhead Stadium. I like that.
Looks cold.
That's yeah. Well, look at that parking lot. A very happy birthday to Ed. Now he's in Nevada, and then this is my dude right here. This is my man. This is my outlaw. This is Mike Letts. Now, I tell you what, every now and then, especially on the KOM News at Noon, like you'll hear me throw something out from Goodman, and I say it's from my good friend Mike. This is him. This is the Mike that I talk about. And so this is absolutely awesome. Mike, you know I love you, man. A happy 59th birthday in Goodman. And yeah, I want my temperature update because I'm going to get it on the KOM News at Noon for you, my man.
All right, and we've got Joyce Bates in Arma, Kansas, celebrating a birthday. Happy birthday, Joyce.
In Elsmore, Kansas, Bill McCann. That's a great picture right there. Very, very happy birthday to Bill. And Bill, thank you for your service as well.
All right, Scott and Shirley Honeshell are celebrating 42 years of wedded bliss. Congratulations to the Honeshells in Carthage, Missouri.
We got a Ketterman birthday. Happy birthday to Ethan. He's in the knack. Hannah Day, a happy birthday to you, Miss Hannah, as she celebrates in Altamont. And Sean Graham, turning 24 in Erie.
All right, and if Sean is celebrating, that means tomorrow his grandfather, John Graham, is celebrating as well in Erie. He'll be 78 years old.
To harken back, Sean, you spend as much time with your grandpa as you can, my man. Hug that man and you spend time out the wazoo with him. Jeff and Andrea Scott, congratulations on 14 years of wedded bliss. Jeff and Andrea are in Fort Scott. Keith and Denise Robinson celebrating a quarter century, 25 years. Congratulations to the Robinsons. And Charlotte Eichhorn, you know what? Charlotte, you deserve a screen all to yourself. A very happy birthday to you in Altamont. Happy birthday, happy anniversary to all. Here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.